this sort of
Oh,
thing.
facial recognition. Well, I got a facial recognition thing. Well, it didn't work. Never mind. Okay. Just gonna keep bouncing between you guys.
How's he doing this?
How is he doing this? I don't know. Boosh. 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 Wait. And kick. It's just so cool. I love it. Oh wait, interrogate. Aha! Oh, I don't care, skip it. Yeah, that just basically puts the collectibles on the map, but I saw one there. Did I? No, where was it? Oh, over there. No, there it is. They swap around the gadgets as well. There we go. Where do I need to go now? Oh, god damn it, where's the map? There. So that's where... God's sake, my dog barking. There. That's where I need to go, right? First thing... Right, okay, yeah. So, that way. I apologise for my dog. Apparently there is a bird in the sky, and that is not allowed in this neighbourhood. Not by his standards, anyway. Woo! Right, anyone with guns? No, but I see someone. I'm not going to do the grapple thing, I'm just going to do it. Okay. I wonder if I could do a stealth. Oh, damn it. Messed it up. Oh well. Hey! Whee! Whoop! Whoop! Like Zoidberg. Hey! Oh, I'm forgetting someone. Yeah, that guy over there. Has he got a gun now? Not anymore. Oh. Oh, you get over here. Get over here. I'm Scorpion now from Mortal Kombat. Hey! Bah! Oh, it's so brutal. And I love it. Laptop. I can't move the camera, so I don't know what he's doing. Okay. Oh, I'm hacking. Of course I am. Damn to triangulate the things. What's this one? Bonaparte skills, yeah. The Batman.
I need to find the next comm station. Then I'll be able to triangulate Penguin's position.
Then mess with our shipment, like saving his own arse. So next time you make up a story, you better remember who you're telling this time. No way. That's right. There ain't no one dumber than you.
Mr. Cobblepot, I
Good
swear
one.
it was the bat. He dropped Ricky off the roof of the clock tower straight into the Christmas tree.
I don't care what you think you saw. If you're not back here with my money in the next 10 minutes, I'll cut your damn eyeballs out. Then you won't have to worry
Oi!
ever again. Stand clear.
Yes, Mr. Cobblepot. I'm sorry, Mr. Cobblepot.
The data drive.
Okay. As someone with very slight OCD, I can't help but go and pick up a collectible if I see it. Like, if it's just there and there's no challenge behind it, I just go pick it up. I will just go and pick it up. Alright, now we get to see the boost thing I got. Oh, it's red and... Grab and throw. He's now taking... Oh no! Okay. This was meant to be a stealth thing, so I'm going to... Well, I've already messed that up. Take him out quick. Oh, God. Okay, I need to get out of here now. Did you say yikes? Calm down, Ryan Haywood. Oh, leveled up as well. Okay, I will... Oh, God's sake, I do apologise for my dog. Get ballistic armor. Just as I say that, he barks even more. Oi! Shut up! How many are there? Just the one? Okay, I'll take him out. Hello! And... do it. There's the glitch. Punch him in the dick. Or the arse, whatever. So yeah, that was meant to be a stealth thing. I didn't notice. I just kind of went in head first. For God's sake. Yeah, can you shut him up, please? Thank you. Okay. Done the triangulation.
All right, everyone, listen up. I know I ought to cancel our annual boiler deck fights after what happened tonight at Jezebel Plaza. But just
fine.
yourself down to the ship right now if you want in on this. I'll make my
Penguin's been hiding out on an old ship. No wonder he's been so hard to find.
for laggers.
Hey, oh,
I got multiple calls
there's
available.
another crime in progress. Where?
Priority
Oh, I wonder if it's where all these thugs are. Hey, oh, take you out. Oh, I just threw him. Oh, he didn't go off the cliff, damn it. Oh, is this GCPD as well? Oh. I can't see if they're armoured or not. Yeah, he's armoured. That's a pain. Ah, right, okay, I knew he was. One of these is also a Riddler guy. Boop, boop. And, is that the two? Yeah, okay, no other armoured ones. Get the rest of them. Oh, damn it, he hit me, bastard. God damn you, you hit me. Wow, that's an old reference. Sorry, I just referenced myself. Wow, well, it wasn't even me, it was someone else, but it was in the video. Wow. Just die. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh.
You win. You're a better fighter.
I know I am. Stand on your face.
Enigma hired you to collect information. Where is it?
Take it easy, man. Take it easy.
Ah, whatever, I can't be asked. You just skip the cut, like the conversations. Is there anything nearby? While I'm down here, I'll... Yes. Okay, where am I going now? Over that way. Gotcha. Where the bat signal is. Away. Oh my god. I'm going to murder my dog. I got a D for that. I think that's the first D I've ever gotten in this game. Can I not oh, okay, I've got to go around to climb up.
Penguin's got snipers out.
Does he?
I want to approach unnoticed. I should
Oh yeah, I see him
silently
over
take out these snipers.
Okay. Am I in a combat stance? Oh, sorry. Gotta do it. Yes, this is another collectible. And grab it. There we go. Okay then, I'll do that. Woo! Woo! Okay. Let's plan this. Probably the best one to go for would be the one up top. There's one over there, and then the rest are on the ground. Yeah, best would be to go for the highest one, because otherwise someone will spot me if I go below, namely him. So you gotta think about this, you gotta think. Silent takedown. And now I'll go for the other guy over there. I'll go the long way around. Please don't let anyone see me! Oh, that was close. Boop. Can I not? There, I have to do that, okay. Did I get Legendary Vigilante for taking out one guy? While he's doing that, I'll level up as well. Invisible Predator. Let's see. Frequency Destiny, increase smoke volume. I'll get that one. Okay, those two guys are looking at each other. That guy's on a bridge. That guy looks isolated over there. Now's my chance to get him. Sooner or later they will find this body though, so I need to hurry up. Oh crap, wait, did he see me? Seriously, my dog is pissing me off now. Oh, that's a risk. That is a massive risk I just took. I don't know why I did that. Oh my god. If that guy turns around even for a second, I'm done for. Oh, I got him, okay. Now I just need to take these guys out. How do I do that? What gadgets do I have? I could do a smoke bomb? That might be a good idea, actually. Okay, so if I go up here... Throw a smoke bomb down there. They can't see, even though they probably can. Silent takedown. Smash him into the ground. Silent takedown. Smash him into the ground. Awesome. Right, let's go in. Okay. I really like this game in case you hadn't noticed.